Hi, are you an FRM aspirant? Are you taking your next FRM exam in 2022? The growing popularity of FRM can be witnessed by the fact that worldwide more than 70,000 FRM charter holders are working across various insurance companies, hedge fund, asset management companies, investment and commercial banks, regulators, and data tech companies and other tech ventures. Learning FRM can be fun and yet challenging, which is also witnessed by the fact and exemplified by the fact that only 1 in 4 candidates actually pass this difficult exam at the first go itself. Southeast Asia, in particular, countries like India, China, Vietnam, Hong Kong, have seen an explosive growth rate in fresh registration calculated on a CAGR basis over the last decade. In India, that percentage is more than 25%. In fact, in 2021 alone, more than 4,300 new registrations have happened in India, which is a growth rate of 32% on a year-on-year basis. Welcome to AB Classes. Now, let me reintroduce myself. I'm Abhishek Bal. I hold the dual distinction of FRM and CFA. I have close to 21 years of work experience across various fields, half of which have been into investment banking and risk management. But more importantly, over the last 7 years, I have had the opportunity and privilege to train and teach more than 3,000 finance enthusiasts and finance professionals for their financial charters like CFA and FRM. I was associated with one of the largest erstwhile prep providers in India called Eduprecity. The growing popularity of FRM in India, in particular, can also be witnessed by the fact that not only the private sector and the commercial banks in India, but also the public sector banks and the public sector enterprises that have credit-sensitive assets and credit-sensitive liabilities on the balance sheet regularly and vigorously are now hiring the FRM charter holders. So, what is our study plan? How do we propose to go about it? Well, at the core of it, we believe that there are 3S, 3D, and 1P that are central to learning and accomplishing your FRM charter. That is, you require a proper schedule, a proper study plan, and all of this synchronized into one thread put together, built on a solid foundation of dedication, determination, and discipline. FRM can be a rigorous course which requires substantial amount of your time. We ensure that your learning process is smooth and yet effective. So, our process starts from building your conceptual foundation, thereafter tackling the problems, which will help you cement those concepts, and then elevating those conceptual foundation and problem-solving skills to the exam level. We call it the KSAT approach to problem-solving, KSAT approach to FRM exam. Knowledge, skill, accuracy with time management. Now, what are the commercials? Well, before that, let me tell you that why we were actually enthusiastic in launching the second batch. After we received an overwhelming response in November to our first advert, AB Classes finally decided that we must extend the same benefit one more time at least to the second batch who might have had missed the first opportunity to register with us. You can register with us at any given point in time by paying 24,500 Indian rupees. However, today I have got an exclusive offer for all of you. From this day onwards, that is December 16, 2021 till December 20, 2021, if you register with us, you will be entitled to enjoy a discount of 16%. That is, you will only be paying 20,500 Indian rupees and you will be registering with us and enjoying the full benefit of the course. Our course spans across 120 hours of live lecture, 20 hours of revision session, unlimited doubt clearing session, one-to-one personalized attention, and 3 or more curated mocks exclusively written by me that mimic the actual exam level difficulty. I'll also be prevailing upon different forums and solving problems, the access of which you will be having if you register with us. So, if you have set your goal to becoming an FRM charter holder and join the explosive and exclusive community of risk management professionals, the next decade and the next generation of the cutting edge professional, if that's what your goal is, look no further, look no forward. You have actually come to the right place. Remember, this offer is only valid till December 20. So register fast and please send me an email at newavatar190@gmail.com. Write in the subject line EBR 2022 and I will get back to you. Alternately, you can also write to analystmaster@outlook.com with the subject line of EBR 2022 and I will get back to you. I'll see you soon with the pass protection as well. Pass protection to what? In the unlikely event of you not passing the exam at the first go, I will be there with you. I will be there with you standing shoulder to shoulder, ensuring you've ultimately crossed the golden line and realize your dream of becoming an FRM charter holder. See you soon.